Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can draw anything on your Google Workshop or Google Keep Notes. Okay, so this is really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So I'm just going to click Keep Notes. Then you can take this file into option, but here you can see this is pencil. You can click here, or you can take the new document or workshop. So that's why you need to click here, the plus icon here. So simply click plus, then title and note, and then click here the plus icon bottom left side on your screen. So simply click on this, and here you'll get the option in drawing. So sorry, this one, drawing. Simply click drawing. When you click drawing, then here you will get some option here. So there is some pen, pencil, eraser. So I'm just taking, this is the thin pen, this is the, it's like big hat, and you can also erase this through this second one, and this one you can select anything, and after that the last one, it's just transparent, so you can draw anything. Okay, I'm just going to erase it. Like I'm not good artist, so you can type anything. So after that you need to click just to go back from this, and it will save automatically. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching this video.